For today's video, I will be teaching you how to use the text to audio feature on CapCut. First step, open your CapCut account and make sure that you are logged in. Also make sure that your application is updated so that you already have the text to audio feature. Once your CapCut is open, just add the videos or photos that you want to edit. Next, click the text icon located at the bottom part of your screen and then press Add Text. Now just type here the text that you want to turn into audio or into speech. Once you're done typing, you can edit the layout or the format of the text by changing its font, animation, style, effects, and so on. You can explore this on your own as there are many features that CapCut has, including different art styles, different loops, bubbles, and so on. Once you're done editing the format or the style, just press the text-to-speech icon located at the bottom part of your screen. Now you can choose the type of voice to be used on your video.
This is cute.
Here you'll see different voice types such as
This is
serious
cute.
male, empathetic female, euphoric, chill girl, energetic male, and so on.
This is cute.
This is cute.
This is cute.
It is up to you to choose which one best fits your video or your photo or your edit. Now you can add more text, and just like earlier, you have to edit the format or style of the text, then press the text-to-speech icon at the bottom part of your screen. And once again, choose the style of voice that you want to apply on your video.
I want this thing.
That's all for this video. If this helped you, don't forget to press like, subscribe, and the notification bell. We hope to see you again on our next video.